Finding the perfect yacht isn't just about size or speed. It's about creating the lifestyle you've always envisioned. Imagine yourself sailing into the sunset, hosting unforgettable gatherings, or simply enjoying the serenity of the open water. Consideration. 1. Define your purpose. Are you looking for family adventures, long-distance cruising, fishing trips, or entertaining guests? Each purpose requires different features and amenities. Start by defining how you plan to use your yacht. This will help narrow down your options and ensure you choose a vessel that meets your needs. Consideration 2. Size and layout. From cozy weekend getaways to hosting large groups, size and layout play a crucial role. Think about the number of cabins, the size of the galley, and the deck space. A well-thought-out layout can make all the difference in comfort and functionality. A catamaran offers space and stability, making it ideal for those who prioritize comfort and smooth sailing. While motor yachts deliver speed and luxury, perfect for those who crave adventure and high-end amenities. Consideration 3. Set your budget. Your budget will determine whether you go for a new build or pre-owned brokerage options. Each choice has its own set of advantages and considerations. Pre-owned yachts can offer great value, while new builds allow for customization. A qualified broker can help you through this process. Don't forget to factor in maintenance, insurance, and docking fees. These ongoing costs can add up and should be part of your overall budget planning. Proper budgeting ensures you can enjoy your yacht without financial stress. Consideration 4. Choose the right features. Do you need state-of-the-art technology, a hybrid electric system, or a spacious sun deck? Modern yachts come with a plethora of features that can enhance your experience. Choose features that align with your vision. Whether it's crew outfit and accommodations, advanced navigation systems, luxurious interiors, or eco-friendly options, make sure your yacht reflects your personal style and needs. Consideration 5. Consult an expert. A knowledgeable yacht broker can save you time and help you find the perfect fit for your lifestyle. They can provide valuable insights and guide you through the buying process. Working with a broker ensures you make an informed decision and get the best value for your investment. At Minted Yachts, your dream yacht is closer than you think. Imagine the possibilities and the adventures that await you. Get full specs, brochures, and layouts at yachtspecsdirect.com, where you can explore a wide range of options and find detailed information to help you make the right choice. Or visit yacht-buying101.com for a complimentary consultation and yacht buying guide. Our experts are ready to assist you every step of the way. Start your journey to luxury yachting today. The open water is calling, and your perfect yacht is waiting. For additional information, please feel free to email ts@mintedyachts.com or text 404-805-9819. We look forward to helping you with your next yacht purchase.